Hello guys, I'm Anna the Wilson's on the go. Today is Thursday. I had my braces Monday, so it's the fourth day and I look happier because I don't feel a lot of soreness today. I woke up okay. I had sleep, and this right here are called orthodontics wax. So these braces are poking out. I think this is for the rubbers later on. They hurt the insides of your braces or of your mouth. So since the first few days, I had really had a hard time, pain, and all that stuff. I apologize. I am about to do my workout, so just bear with me. This is not bad, but this is how it is. So, here you go. What I have in my hand, I don't have all the lights working, but this is just a quick one, are packages. Woo! 3 of them. I have never been this excited to get packages because, surprise, these are stuff that I know I will need. Some of the stuff already came, but these stuff came in today. Yes, the care package of the dental clinic or the orthodontics also already came. Wait up. There's a loud noise. Hold on. And I was being a mom. I was doing laundry and all that stuff. There you go. That's better. So what I did is I just ordered online and I know it's going to come the next day. So here it is. First item. Murag paraffol lang, no? First item is... ta-da! I have a lot of this. It's called Ortho Wax. I told you, didn't I tell you? This is very helpful. So it's not gonna bother my mouth anymore. I have a lot of this. So I am gonna put them in packages in the car, in school, and in the house. Upstairs bathroom, downstairs bathroom. I only take this off when I'm eating. That's it. And of course, when I'm brushing my teeth. So this is very helpful. It doesn't matter whatever brand. I don't know if that even matters, for as long as it covers the braces and the hooks. That would be perfect. So that's the first item. Next item is... oh my gosh, it's like nothing. Look, feel it. It feels like it's an empty bag, but it is filled with a small thing. Do you want to guess? Comment down below if you know what it is. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Small but terrible. This is what you call new and improved wax guard. So what it does, I don't know. This was not recommended or anything. It's just gonna slide right in there. That's just how it looks. So if I don't have time to put one, mind you, these are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It takes time to put it on, put it back. So I'm thinking at night, after I clean 100% with everything, I will just put this on. This is for my nighttime guard. I don't know. I hope it works. My dentist, orthodontics, did not tell me about this. I just Googled online and everything. So that I hope would work. And I'm going to review this in a couple of days. So that's that. And the third one. This is one very first thing I ordered. And it did not come the next day. But I'm excited for this one. This is not sponsored. But we'll see. If they see me using all this stuff, they might. Bacana Man, sponsor me. Hopefully. So this one, it came in a special package because it's... it actually came from a pharmacy, huh? I don't even know if we can find it in the stores. I just did not have time to go to the stores, so I just ordered online. And it is called a platypus ortho flosser. So the way the regular floss is, I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to show it to you. It takes time to hook it up and floss, right? Every night you have to floss. You don't want food in there. But I also have the water pick. The water pick is very helpful. But I also still want to floss it using the regular flossers. If I have the luxury of time, maybe I don't need to go anywhere else. But this is how it looks. And again, I'm going to have to do a review on this after. See, the regular flosser has a thicker one. This, on the other end, is flatter, if you see that. So it should go like this. Do I know how to use this? It should go like this. Oh Lord, do I know? Oh, the flat side right here. Ah. Did you see that? Here you go with some dirt. I still haven't brushed my teeth. Ah. You get the deal. My teeth are still hurting though, but this is very special. And at the back end, you can still use that one. It's like a toothpick or a cleaner, because you're gonna have to clean the other side of your teeth. So it's like a toothpick. So that's what it is. I'm gonna use this again later. So that's it. I was so excited to get nails for my teeth, nails for my art braces. So that's it for now. I am gonna do a review on these 3 important things for my teeth. Thank you very much for watching, my man on the go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you all. Bye. And remember, choose happy. Bye.